Hey, what's good, YouTube? Anyway, look like the last two days since yesterday, Xbox users have been going through a little outage or whatever. But I have a quick fix to it. The outage is gonna look something like this when you try to open up a game or some apps. And if this happens, the quick fix is simply uninstall the game or app that's giving you this issue and reinstall it. That's simple. And it'll stop giving you this error. I've been working on it since yesterday, and I finally got back in my 2K. But I was wondering why I could go on YouTube and other apps and Fortnite and uh, Call of Duty, Black Ops 7, and I didn't have any issue. But 2K was the only one giving me this issue, so like I say, I just uninstalled, reinstalled, and I don't see this no more. I'm back in the game and playing fine. So, if you are, if I was able to help you out, come back to this video, like it, share it, whatever. Anyway, I want to see all my Xbox users back on Xbox, especially on the 2K or whatever. Anyway, thanks, peace.